Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of espresso with the Bialetti Moka Express Export Espresso Maker. Hailing from Italy, this sleek silver coffee maker boasts a capacity of 90 milliliters, perfect for brewing up a strong cup of espresso to kickstart your day. Let's talk about the design first. Crafted from durable aluminum, this Moka Express has a compact build with dimensions of 2 inches in diameter, width, and height. It's lightweight, weighing just 0.4 kilograms, making it portable and easy to store in your kitchen or take with you on your travels. One of the standout features of this espresso maker is its simplicity. With just a few easy steps, you can enjoy rich, flavorful espresso in minutes. Simply fill the bottom chamber with water, add your favorite ground coffee to the filter basket, assemble the pieces, and place it on the stovetop. In no time, you'll hear the satisfying gurgle as the espresso brews and fills the top chamber. Speaking of brewing, let's talk about the coffee quality. The Moka Express consistently delivers a robust and aromatic espresso with a velvety crema, rivaling that of a traditional espresso machine. The 90 milliliter capacity is perfect for a single serving, ideal for solo coffee aficionados or those looking for a quick pick-me-up. Now, let's touch on maintenance. Cleaning this espresso maker is a breeze. Simply rinse it with warm water after each use and occasionally give it a thorough cleaning with a mild detergent to keep it in top condition. In terms of usability, the Bialetti Moka Express features a jug-style design with a convenient handle for easy pouring. The human interface input consists of buttons, ensuring intuitive operation even for novice users. Overall, the Bialetti Moka Express Export Espresso Maker is a fantastic addition to any coffee lover's arsenal. Its compact size, ease of use, and exceptional coffee quality make it a must-have for home brewing enthusiasts and espresso aficionados alike. Whether you're starting your day with a shot of espresso or winding down with an after-dinner coffee, this espresso maker delivers the perfect cup every time. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and stylish espresso maker, look no further than the Bialetti Moka Express Export. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.